Hey guys, so let me show y'all what I be doing. I was making a little Asian cuisine. I did some egg rolls and I did some sauteed um teriyaki pork chops with some white rice. Ow, and it was delicious. Just showing you guys what I do on the regular hand there. So yeah. And if you're feeling your girl's recipe, don't be afraid to comment down below. Also, subscribe to my channel. I have so much more to show you guys. So, guys, I have to replace my. Oh, oh hit myself. I have to replace my LED stand light, my ring light. I got this one. So, I'm gonna do an unboxing for you guys. Hi, Oreo. Y'all, this Oreo. Say hi. Say hi, Oreo. Oreo always in my business. Like, I can't do nothing. Can't do nothing. Can't do nothing with Oreo around. Nothing. Right, trying to get it on my right. So after we had lunch, we're gonna do an unboxing on the floor, Oreo. Alright, so we're gonna open up the box. So we get the tripod, adjustable tripod stand. We got the light. This one is a little smaller than the one I actually have, but that's fine. And this little baby is what I keep losing every time I get it, right? This is what I need. Okay, adjustable. This baby out. And I ain't gonna lie, I never see this one before. I don't know what this is. I gotta read the thing. Let me see if I see it in the box. This, by the way. Oh, apparently this is like a bendable. Ooh, bendable, dependable God. Anyway, then we got our remote. We got your remote then. Now I wonder if this is actually work. I see it say iOS, so let's see if it'll work for my iPhone. So we got that. That's about everything on the box. We got this. Let me just put this to the side. And you got a warranty extension. First of all, they say warranty extension. Let me plug this in. Let me see if this is working. Because I cry. So y'all, I hope your new year is going amazing. There's some fancy stuff right now. I don't really like technology, to be honest. But I gotta do it. So I plug it in. Now let's see. Oh, oh, oh wow, that's bright. Uh-oh. Let's go a little dimmer. Dim it down, I don't want it too bright. Let's do it a little faster. Oh, oh shoot. This actually way better than my ring light. A ring light now. I think I'm gonna get that one way. I can see a halo, halo. I can see a halo, 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 halo. Ooh. Y'all don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and listen to my wonderful voice. But most of all, I do want you to follow my journey. It's an amazing one. It's a miraculous one. Praise God. But anyway, while we setting this up, I just want, oh, ow, ooh, 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 pow, pow, pow. A little brighter, a little brighter, a little dim, a little dim, a little brighter, a little brighter. Anyway, I got work to do. So, now we see that the ring light works. Let's go ahead and review the tripod. I'm gonna make sure that this doesn't matter why you were so good. This don't look long at all. Ow. Off, on, brighter, darker, brighter. But we want to go in and put some, ooh, ow, ooh, okay, okay. I love this. I love this. It's a perfect gift for me, from me, to me, with love. Okay. Now, the moment we've all been waiting on, what I want to go ahead and do. Now, I don't know which one of these is which one, but I do think the one that I want to use is going to be this one first. Because this one be doing a lot. This one be doing a lot. Oh. Okay. Well, guys, I don't know if I'm going to go ahead and try the remote, but I think I'm going to do that on another. I think I can do this by myself. Somewhere where I'm going to be frustrated. I don't think it's hard though. It's just like a Bluetooth remote, I think. And it's compatible with the Android and Camera 360. I got this from the Tech Place down from GB Fitness on that same road in the plaza. I can't remember the name. It's Tech something. But amazing customer service. And I got what I wanted. I'm happy. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I think I might keep my other ring light because this one is a bit short. The ring light that I have is longer, it's taller, and I could, only thing is that the switch is going bad. It's tall, I just didn't bring this one up, but yeah, get my drift. As always, it was amazing. Unboxing the food was amazing. I hope you guys enjoy the recipe, and also yes, please subscribe to my channel. Y'all don't be afraid. Oh, I'm sorry. Why I do that? Talk with my ring light on. Yes, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my channel. I'm just here to sing for you. I'm just here to sing for you. Could have said 1,000 words. I can't explain why. Nobody understands what happened in my mind. Yeah, you played me for a fool. I didn't see it coming, no. Guys, check out my song Closure, or you could check out Bella, or Broken Pieces, or Soca Lover, or Bad Mind, or Forever, or Vows. I have so many songs for you, and I have so many more coming. This is your girl, Vasi Official, and we will be signing out. Good night. Cut. This what has happened when you're doing a lot by yourself. See, there was no one to cut the cue and touch the camera for me, but if you keep on working, you will create a team that wants to come along. But seriously though, I gotta go. Cut.